Samio and I'm here with Collect Plus, and in today's video I'm going to be talking you through how to make basics look good, and you can click and collect all the items shown in this video from over 7,000 locations, and it's super simple and easy. For everyday dressing, I really like to invest in a really good jacket that will go with most of the items in your wardrobe. For me personally, I love a good bag jacket. An investment piece like this, just a plain black one that will go with loads of outfits and will make you feel and look good. If you invest in a good quality one, it will last you years as well, so it's always really worth it. You can wear this kind of thing with jeans and a tee or your favourite dress, and it will always make an outfit look good. To smarten up an outfit, I really like to go for a blazer. Something like this one from Marks & Spencer's is great because it's a little bit smart, it's long line, will go with loads of different outfits, and again, the fact that it's cream to like an off-white shade really just kind of elevates that look a little bit. So you can wear this with jeans, a tee or a cami, and then throw in a pair of heels and you've instantly elevated that look from a day to a night look. To liven up a full outfit of basics, I really like to add a pop of colour. Something like this bold red bag is a really nice statement piece to add to an otherwise super simple outfit. It works really well with the neutral tones like the whites, the blacks, the denim, and it goes with pretty much everything. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget you can click and collect all of the items in this video to over 7,000 stores with Collect Plus.